Hello guys and welcome back to Hour of Code. So today we're going to be playing Minecraft coding, and I need to inform you something. In my playlist I've done playlists about PowerPoint videos and the Hour of Code series. Right now this is the second video of it, and there's some scratch videos where is a series of scratch videos. So I just wanted to tell you that. So let's start our Minecraft trip. Okay guys, so you guys know the drill as well. You know the drill that every time if I'm gonna play anything from Hour of Code, every time I would stop at 4. So like now I'm gonna just do it in 4. I'm gonna stop it at 4 this video, and in part 2 I'm gonna go to 8, which is also 4 because 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8, then 8 plus 4 equals 12. 12, so then 12, and then these both I'm not gonna do them because they aren't 4. Okay, so now let's see. Add a second move forward block to reach the C. Okay, so let's add that. Now let's see. And I won. Let's go to continue. Okay. Wheat is a very important source. Many things are made from it. Walk to the tree and use the destroy block command to chop it down. So I'm gonna do the coding. Okay, so I did the coding. Now let's see if I did it right. And I did it right. Okay, let's continue. Okay, sheep shearing time. Use the shear command to gather wool from both sheep. Let me do the coding again. Okay guys, so I did the coding. Now let's see if it's right. No, I did it wrong. Instead of I'm supposed to make this right, I guess. Now it will be okay. Come on. Now I did it right. 2 tries only. Eat. Okay, continue. Now this is where I will end the video, but I just have to finish it. Okay? So we need to build a house before the sun goes down. Okay, before the sun goes down, houses require a lot of wood, all 3 trees. Again, I'll do the coding. See if I did it right. Okay, so far so good. And I did it right. Yes. Okay, sorry guys, but I'm gonna end it here. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe, and goodbye.